Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this pocket fan. So today it's supposed to be 90 degrees. I think it's safe to say good time for a fan. Alright, so this is it. Okay, so you have 3 modes. So you press it once. Press it again. And third time. So you guys can set it on the desktop, but however, it does vibrate, as you guys can see. So it does like to move around a little bit on a smooth surface. So you probably want to put it on something that is not as smooth. So there it holds position better. It definitely blows air though. You can definitely feel the difference. Definitely blows, so it does feel good. So that's what it looks like, guys. You just press it to turn off. Be careful, the blade does spin pretty fast, and if that does hit your hand, it does sting a little bit. So keep that in mind. So it is charged. Right there's the charging port. They give you the cable and a manual.